To run this program, load the necessary board manager and libraries as given in the instruction manual. Install the COM-port USB driver. For more details, follow the driver installation manual. Initialize the required variables and I/O interface. Connect the I/O interface as shown in the connection diagram. Compile and run the program. Understanding each instruction, pause the video and read the comments. Follow the methods as shown in the video to observe the output. Download the utility or testing application from the download section. As per the video, you can follow the Modbus master configuration. I stored 4 random values in Modbus registers 0, 1, 2, and 3, which will be displayed in the utility monitor. Observe the Cloud PLC slave register values. You can download this code by clicking on GitHub link in Cloud PLC Learning Center. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in our product and services, please contact us.